Hello.
Hi, guys. Hi. Hello.
Hi, Rob. How are you?
Hi. Great. How are you?
I'm also good.
Good. So sorry that it's been really busy here. And I've been slow to respond. But
Oh,
let's see here. Um, okay, yeah, I am going back through. I looked a bit yesterday at your progress, and it's looking good. And I wanted to have a just a quick make sure we are um, on the same page. And if there are any kind of changes, I can give those to you just to look at. Let me share my screen really quickly. Um, and all right, I believe you can see my screen with Bitrix and your note.
Hi Rob,
Oh, hello,
how are you doing?
Sunita. Great,
Yeah,
great. How about yourself? Doing well, I'm assuming. Uh, okay. Thanks for joining. So did you hear me before apologizing? Or do I need to
no,
apologize to you as well?
oh,
Okay.
I just joined
that's
right now.
not an issue.
Yeah.
No issue.
We know everyone is very busy with their work.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Sure.
Hope you
Um,
are doing. How's your health now?
oh, it's better. I'm getting better. It
Yeah, that's
was
great.
yeah, just a yeah, we're getting yeah, on the mend, as we say here um in the
Okay.
US. But okay, so let me dig through here. These are in this internal task list, right? Let's see here. Let's just search. Uh, okay. Commission. Whoops, this is, I'm on project, sorry. One sec. Wait. Okay. Tasks. Mission. Okay, Bitrix customization. That's the project. And okay. So for the okay, well, I was looking at hourly pay rate. Gosh, okay. Timesheet, particular employees, create timesheet of okay. And okay, for the timesheet, I am looking less for individual people's timesheets and more for timesheet summary of all time tracked by from certain users, and maybe we could have like user groups or departments within um, the timesheet report. So I don't need to see, my time as an individual person, but I would like to see. Let me show you an example briefly. Let's see here: financials, payroll, timesheet. So here's basically I run payroll twice a month, and we let's see here. Bloop. And I right now I export from our project management system into Excel, and then I create a summary. And so I
Okay.
can look at detail if I want. I imagine that it might be easier if we have two separate reports, one for detail and one for summary like this. But basically, for the dates specified, and if for the date specified, here's a summary of all the hours, and if we're able to summarize, it'd be great to look at overall, then break down potentially by project, and then potentially break down by just see all the detail. So, and if it's better to have the 3 separate reports for that, that's fine. Whatever's easier. But I will be running that report twice every month. So it would be nice to be able to have something like that. Yeah, this, I don't need this as much. Let's see here. For commission calculator, I don't understand enough about how this works in here. Let's see if I can go here to, I believe, commission calculator. Is this where I would find this? Or is this somewhere else where I'd be able to see this?
Just go to preference.
Go to preference.
Yeah. No, on the same commission calculator page.
Okay, got it. Preferences.
Here you will see the employees.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so, okay, so I'm confused about what this is. I guess this is the report.
Yeah, this is the report. Actually, what is going in the commission section? What we have done is where you have created the flow in the employee section. This new test means this head Cordy is the main admin.
Okay.
Under that, we can manage the employee setting.
Okay.
Yeah. Whenever we log in from single user employee ID, and what we will be created, what we will be doing there regarding what we have purchased the products, that calculation will be shown to admin.
Okay, got it. Yes. Okay, got it. Yeah, very cool. And is it okay? Got it. Is it possible to add a calculation type so that we generally calculate commissions based on cash received? So it's by invoices, but it's by invoices that have been paid.
Okay.
And so that I would wonder if we would be able to do that.
I think you can update. That. You can change that.
Right. So how? Yeah. But there's not an option for like cash.
Yeah, we will create one option and we'll send you the steps for those. Okay. How you can change that.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
You can open the sheet. Yeah, open this sheet.
The sheet. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, it is opening up here.
You can check the second task, the CRM automatic deal task. Yeah, that one. It's already existing in the Bitrix CRM. Then what do you actually want there? What actually want to there?
I think we have already created these, and so I have another team who's helping us build out a client portal, and so they may have created the automations already. So that I think is fine.
Or what about the first task? You said you will provide us the form so we can create that.
Yeah, so this is probably similarly related to the CRM. So oh my goodness, thank you. So we probably can hold on this.
Okay.
And so we'll hold on this as well. So sorry, it's been so busy. how do we?
You can just put hold over hold. You can
Okay.
write there. Yeah.
Okay.
You can scroll down.
Okay.
These tasks are completed. The pending task is the contract management. We are currently working on that task.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that clear? What we're trying to accomplish?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we will. I think we will create a form for that. The date and the
Um,
name will be changed.
Kind of, yeah. It's so we have a so I'll walk through this really quickly. 8:43.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have in oh my goodness, CRM. We're using the CRM a little bit strange as a HR portal as well, and perhaps there's a better way to do this. But for hiring, here we have somebody. Hi, we have somebody who has filled out an application, let's say, and then we have a process or a an assessment that we send people to. And so
Okay.
when initially, so when somebody fills out a form, they go here, they've completed the web form. And then we have some automations that are sent here. We're going to send this email
Okay.
here. And thanks so much for your interest in working together. This comes from me. And then we'll cancel that. And then we're when they let's see okay, so that's at that point. So somebody's filled out a form and then this sends out automatically when they completed the web form. We review their resume and CV and information, and then if we want to work with them, we will in the CRM will drag to the next one, and then we're going to send this email based on the role that they have applied for. So if it's front-end web developer, it's going to send this one. Other web developer, business development, account manager, etc. We're going to send them emails. It's essentially the same email, but it's sending them a different link here.
Okay.
And so the link is going to a specific assessment that we ask them to take. And then we review those results. And if we want to continue the process, we will move them over to work style assessment, which sends everybody gets the same email. It's not conditional because this is about work style or culture to see, are they going to fit here? What is their work style like? And if they pass that, then we drag them over here to schedule a call. And then we send them an email. We send the hiring manager an email. It would be nice if we had the ability to just send them an email and say, schedule a call, but we have different people involved in the interview based on what role is being hired. So if it's an admin assistant, it might be somebody. If it's a developer, we might bring in a developer to talk to them as well as our HR person. So that's a little bit confusing. If you have ideas on that, I would be interested in maybe hearing that in our next call. But then the contract question is when we have accepted them and we want to make an offer, we would drag them to send offer letter, and then it's going to send an email to this person, and we'll insert like the position name here just to make it a little more specific. This was just an example that we had filled in, but basically we would like to, when somebody clicks this link, we would like that to have when we drag somebody to send offer letter, it creates the offer letter contract from a template, and puts their name and their pay rate and all of that inside of a document and uploads it and provides it for them to complete. Ideally, it would be completed digitally. So I'd be curious to see your thoughts on this.
What do you want to change in a contract? Only the name and the date or anything else?
Well, so this is a great question. It will be so name and their position and who they will be reporting to and things like that. But those will all be set in the one sec. It will be all set in here in the contact record for somebody who is in this pipeline, the hiring pipeline. And so we're using this as an example for, is this going to work for other documents? Ideally, we want to create invoices this way so that when somebody is working with us as a client, they hire us, then we would automatically create an agreement. Then when they sign the agreement, they automatically get the first invoice that is based on the CRM, the value of a deal, like here.
Okay.
All that makes sense. And I'm recording this, so it's you don't have to write everything down. It's but I'll make this available to you, you can, if you have questions, you can review it.
Rob, I have one query regarding this contract management.
Sure.
Previously, you have sent us the one document.
Yes.
And, okay. That document is related to the users who will be logging to the Bitrix for new employee and clients.
The clients will not log into Bitrix.
Okay.
So we would send them a link to the document, but maybe it doesn't have to be a PDF document that they fill out. Maybe it is a way, if we can integrate with HelloSign or DocuSign or one of those digital signature forms, that would be great as well. So that's something to think about.
Okay.
Well,
currently we have to work with the user employees only.
Yeah. Okay. So why don't we hold on this one too, because we have we have another way to make this happen for this exact task. I was trying to see if we could get this to work, but I'm not sure if I'm looking for the easiest solution, the simplest solution, and I think that might not be the simplest.
Which one tasks? The contract management?
The contract management. I think we may have, for employees, we have a different system that we may be using. So I don't want to waste your time on something if we have a different solution in place.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, you helped me think through this, though. This was good. Let's see. So right now, let's hold on that contract management. Yeah, and I'm sorry that this has been so
no issue.
Long.
And what about the last two tasks that we have hold yet?
Yeah.
The editing and the dashboard design.
When invoice data shows the invoice repeat, I'm not sure what this means. Let's take a look at this. So when quote is created and completed by client, then its invoice data shows the invoice repeat. I don't understand the note, I guess.
The code which was created by the client, it can auto generate the, you can open it. I think this is for the invoices. If you check the invoices, if the client added his product and the invoices will be generated automatically.
Okay, so I
Just
could
click
go
on,
here.
yeah, you can check here. There is the invoices already created.
Got
This
it.
one, yeah.
Okay. Got it.
If you
Okay.
send any code to, if you send any code to any client, then the invoices will be automatically generated according to the product or product information.
Yeah,
For
we
code,
need
you know,
we need to add the products also in the deals or
Yeah.
code. After
Okay.
that, invoice can be created.
Okay. Got it. And so yeah, we're working on a lot of systems.
Yeah.
And let's see here. Oh, got it. Okay. So when we're working right now on when a quote is created, we're generating a proposal that gets sent to the client.
yeah,
And
this task you just told us for the hold, the
yes,
proposal task. So we are
right,
not started.
right.
Do
Understood.
you want to do you want to
No,
restart that?
no. I'm
Okay.
just explaining what we're working on.
Okay, okay. Okay, got
So the when a quote is created, we are generating an invoice or a proposal automatically that gets sent to the client via email, and
okay.
it's a uh, digital proposal, something like this, and they will click, and when it's they will choose their options, and then when they sign, let's see here,
Okay.
next steps, they'll sign here. Oh, here it is. Let's sign by typing. I'm in preview mode, so it's not going to work. But when I sign, then we're going to trigger the invoice to be sent to the first invoice to be sent to the client, and then they'll pay the invoice and that sort of thing. But we can hold on that for now because there are other things that are still being worked on to do still. So right now, I think 8:57. I've got a 9 o'clock, but call. So right now, I think if we are able to provide information on how I can build out the commission reports by when somebody has, a salesperson gets commission once a month, but after the invoice has been paid. And then if we can get help with that, and then the timesheet report, if we can get that summarized as opposed to individual, then we should be good for this phase.
Okay. We will fix that.
Okay, great. And I think like this is the first time we've talked like this. I think so. It's great to give you more clarity. This is perfect.
Yeah, we will update the commission part as you have said. Can you also provide us what the types you want in the commission section under preference?
Sure. So that should be the let's see if I go to preferences. I think so. All of our commissions. That's not true. We may have different commissions in the future. So we have right now commissions paid on if a percentage of the revenue that of after an invoice has been paid, we also are working with appointment setters that if they schedule an appointment that shows up, then we may have a commission for that. So that would be something to also like think about as we're building these out. But I don't know what other options are available.
You can just let us know what you want, so we can let you so that we can update you what titles can be here.
Okay.
Just give us some list of types.
Okay. Sure, we'll do.
Right now, we will add the revenue part and schedule an appointment.
Okay, yeah, perfect.
Invoices and deals. Do you want that?
Invoice, could you say that again?
Invoices. First one is the revenue.
Yeah.
Second one is schedule an appointment.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
And third one is deal by deal or by invoices. That one you want or not?
No, only two right now. It's by, so it's by
Revenue?
Invoice that has been paid. The salesperson would get a commission, and we should have a commission like report so that everybody knows this client paid. If a salesperson gets $500 commission, they should be able to know that $200 came because this client paid, and $300 came because this other client paid. And then the same for the appointment setting. We should know this appointment was set and this person showed up on this date, let's say, and so they got $10 commission for that. That would be a dollar amount for the appointment setting. That would be a dollar amount per appointment that shows up, rather than percent of revenue.
Okay, got it. Any other question, Nikin?
No. So first we have to update the commission. Second point is create the task. Yeah, timesheet.
Yeah, that would be great.
So first we will update these and let you know how the process is going on, and we will send you the steps.
Okay, perfect. Yes, that sounds great. Okay. Well, thanks so much. I've got to jump to my other call. I'll give you a recording in the Bitrix chat.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Rob.
Thank you. Talk soon. Okay.
Have a nice day.
You as well.
Bye-bye.
Bye.